Control number 26760. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. I am Lalaine Sumilheg, 27 years old. I'm married with a 7-year-old daughter. I have one brother and 2 sisters, and I'm the eldest.
What is your educational attainment?
I have my first year college in University of Makati.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to earn more to support my family.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
No, ma'am.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person?
No, sir.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
I have.
What can you do for babies?
I can feed them, taking a bath, and I can play with them.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
I can cook, ma'am, Chinese food like chop suey, steamed fish and vegetables, and Filipino food like adobo and menudo.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
Cooking. Tapos na. I can cook Chinese foods like,
Can you cook?
yes, ma'am,
What foreign dishes can you cook?
Chinese foods like chop suey, steamed fish and vegetables. Filipino food like adobo and menudo.
Describe yourself as a housemaid. What are your characteristics that your employer will like you?
I am hardworking, flexible, and I can work independently.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
Apologize and say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
They treat me as a member of a family and we have a good relationship.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Hi, ma'am, sir. If you'll give me a chance to be your helper, I can assure you my honesty and my dedication to my work. And I promise to finish my contract for 2 or more years. Thank you.